Hey folks, JD here, and this isn't the only video going out today. I just had a little idea and I thought I would want to get you guys' opinion on it as well. So I just broken for lunch from work and I picked up my phone and saw a load of notifications about GoPro. And obviously we know that yesterday, I think it was, GoPro said they were going to pull out of the drone market. And now it looks like today they might be getting ready to sell to another company, another concern. So I just wanted to know whether you think that's a good idea. I mean, let me just give you a bit of a background on what GoPro means to me. So GoPro for me is a company that I've used for many years via their cameras. I wasn't fortunate enough to try their Karma Drone, but obviously I saw all the reports of what happened on the first attempts with them falling out of the sky with a certain couple of batches, and then I saw the re-release of the drone as well, and saw that people were a little bit happy with the second release. I find it a little bit sad, really, that the shares have slumped from, I think it's $90 down to $6 as of the time of me recording this, and I think the company is in a little bit of difficulty, but at the same time I would quite like them to pull through, because I really believe that their cameras are excellent. I use them in my videos every single time, and I use them on my other channels as well, not just this particular one, and I often feel that I think they need a little bit of help out of this. So but essentially what I want to ask you is, what do you think? How do you think the Karma Drone launch went? Obviously they were many years out of line with DJI. I think DJI were ahead of them by 4 or 5 years, so they already had, DJI had a very strong hold of the market when the Karma was coming out. I also want to know what you think of the cameras. Have you used them? Do you use them? Have you bought them? Do you think they're good? Do you think there's a good replacement for GoPro? Okay, so yeah, let us know exactly what you think in the comments and see if we can get a nice little thread going. Alright then folks, so there we are. Well, there's going to be another video out tonight at 6 PM as usual, at 6 PM GMT. So until then folks, happy flying.